In this video, I'll show you how to make poorly recorded voiceover narration sound much better without any editing experience required. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got an audio inside Audacity. Audacity is a free audio editing and recording application that is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. I'm not going to be doing any editing of this particular audio inside Audacity, but let's just have a listen.
So in this video, we're going to prepare some oats for the baby. We'll have some plain oats for this.
So as you can notice, the levels on this particular audio meter here are quite low, about negative 30 decibels, or right about there between 30 and 24. Obviously, there could be some artifacts in the background like some echoes and so on. So let's use a free tool from Adobe called Enhance Speech, and it's simply basically what it does is it removes noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement, and it makes them sound as they were recorded in a professional studio. So I do have an example that you can listen to, the before and after of how it sounds. So if I click on sample,
I'm in a conference room with the window open,
and then turn on Enhance Speech,
and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place.
sounds really good. Let's see if you're going to get the same results with my audio. So let's just go get my audio here, and I'll just drop it right inside here. So as you can see, just a quick explanation, audio file only supported at the time of recording this video because this is still in beta under the Adobe podcast tools. Then a 1 hour maximum duration of audio file is required, of a size of about 500 MB. That should be the maximum. And daily you can only do 3 hours as the limit, and you also need to be logged in to an Adobe account. So let's just drag and drop. And because my audio is not too long, it's just quite a short audio, it may take quite a short time to do this. Now it's enhancing speech, still enhancing, and if you're working on like a 1 hour audio using the speech enhancement feature in Adobe Podcast, it may take you a while to get your results back. So as you can see, some files can take up to 10 minutes to enhance. What it's doing is that it's doing some magic in the background. But what I would hope for is that it would be important if you got to know what is actually happening to the audio file in the background. Can we tweak some settings? Because something I've noticed with this is if you're working on a long audio file, some levels are actually lost during the enhancement of this particular speech. So it's done. Let's preview. Let's just turn it off first.
So in this video, we're going to prepare some oats for the baby.
Let's turn it on.
We'll have some plain oats for the very young babies, and you can try to flavor them up a bit. For the flavoring, we'll have at least a mango, or we can even use a banana.
Something I've noticed is that it's kind of doing some over editing and giving the voiceover some sort of shaky kind of audio. Really depends on the environment you're recording your audio, but it's good you test it out and see if it's going to work for your audio.
And we also have some milk, we have oats, we have some water, and have a blender with me. So let's get started.
So what I can do, I'll just download this, and then once I do that, I just get another instance of Audacity open and then load my file here. And this is the original, and this is what we have right now. So two different things. It seems that it's actually leveling out to just one single track, no two tracks here, the way I have with the stereo here. Kind of leveling it out to a mono. Let's play this.
So in this video, we're going to
actually let's move it to more of a full size so we can see the levels.
So in this video, we're going to prepare some oats for the baby. We'll have some plain oats for the very young babies, and you can try to.
You can notice somewhere here there's kind of some sort of jitteriness in the voice. Something I've noticed, but hopefully it's nothing too much based on what you're actually working on. It seems it's actually targeting about a negative 12 decibels once it's done. So you can see what we've done here is that we've taken our audio from this particular audio up here to this in just a few simple clicks, just adding it right into this and let the magic happen. Now, that's it from me. I hope this has shown you that you can make poor quality audio sound much better without any editing experience. And hopefully in future, once this goes full blown, we can get some tweaks that we can do to avoid over enhancing of our particular speech, to try and keep it as natural and also avoid taking out some of the levels, that is the highs and the lows, that we'd like to keep in the audio. So that is how you can make poorly recorded voiceover narration sound much better with speech enhancement using Adobe Podcast. Thanks for watching.